Just up the road from Osoyoos, Spotted Lake is a saline endorheic alkali lake, enriched in minerals like magnesium sulphate, sodium sulphates, and calcium. Endorheic means that there is no outlet from the lake, and water from snow and rain evaporates, leaving the salinity to build up over time. To the Okanagan people, Spotted Lake has cultural heritage and is a sacred medicine lake and ceremony site. Access to the lake is limited to Okanagan First Nations, as the 56-acre site is owned by the Okanagan Band. The circular pools range in color due to mineral composition, and later in summer, when most of the water has evaporated, they appear the brightest. The driest time of the year is the best time to see it. An interesting fact is that over 100 years ago, during World War I, the minerals were used in ammunition manufacturing. The first time I ever laid eyes on Spotted Lake was in 2015, the year I moved to British Columbia. Its eye-catching circles and unique shapes are like no other lake I've seen. I shot and uploaded a short video back in 2015, 9 years ago, with my first drone, a Discovery Pro filming with a GoPro Hero 3. In 9 years, the difference in technology is massive, and that footage of Spotted Lake needed updating. Just look at this comparison. The difference in quality is night and day.
She died easy of a broken heart disease as I listened through the cemetery trees. I seen the sun coming up at the funeral at dawn of the long broken arm of human law. Now it always seemed such a waste, she always had a pretty face. I